Hello fellow traders, it's Rafał Zuchowicz and welcome to my channel. Today's video is dedicated to all of you, my friends, who are talented traders but with a small accounts, and you are tired of trading your tiny accounts and getting tiny results. What do I mean by a small account? Something between 100 and probably $10,000. Accounts that, if traded properly with proper risk management, cannot give you enough profits to support you, your needs, and your family. Let's face it, even if you have 10,000 on your account and you make 10% a month, what is it? 1,000 pounds? You will get 1,000. It's very hard to support yourself these days for 1,000 unless you live in a small village, but then most likely you will not have 10,000 pounds to put on your trading account and trade it. This is the reality. Let's face it. So this video, guys, is for you who are ready to trade big accounts. So tell me, I have one question for you. How would you feel if I told you that there is a company looking for you? They are looking for talented traders like yourself, and they are willing to fund your account up to $1 million. You heard me right. You can be trading up to $1 million, money that they are not yours. They are the proprietary trading company's money, but you will be the talented trader to trade this money. Of course, you don't start straight away with 1 million. You are starting much smaller. You can start from 20,000, and once you prove yourself, you will be climbing the ladder up to 1 million, where you can share, even your share can be 80% from what you made during the period of trading. So if you reach the goal, then 10% of profits, then you can get $80,000. Imagine that. How would you feel about that? Let's talk about it because this is real. There is a company looking for traders and sky is the limit. So let's jump straight to it. We are on my website right now, where you can find my courses. Probably you are familiar with my website already. If not, there are courses. If you are not a profitable trader yet, please take one of my courses and this will help you. Go to prop trading on the top and you will get into the page with some information, but let's go directly to the proprietary trading company website. Just press on any sign up free or any of these banners and it will take you to the website. I have as well already arrangement with them, so let me tell you straight away. They gave you the code Rafał Zuchowicz to get 10% of any challenge, but we will talk about the challenges in a second. Press here, you will be redirected to their website, and you can see that they are offering a couple of options. So Forex, futures combo, so you can trade both, or crypto and stocks, but these are still deemed. That means they are coming. So if you are into crypto, you can take a challenge and you can be trading cryptos as well. They will give you money to trade, but for now let's focus on Forex. So if you are Forex trader, we can go to challenges, Forex, and this will take us to the challenge explanation. So what is the challenge? Let's talk about challenge. Of course, you cannot just knock somebody's door and tell him, listen, give me 1 million, I will trade it for you, I'm super duper good. No one will believe you. Even if you present them your statements, they can be fabricated. You never know. Plus, probably you are not trading this kind of money, you are trading much smaller money, so they need to test you on the proper amount of money, if you will understand the numbers, if you can transmit your skills from the small account to the bigger account. And of course, there is something for everyone. So if you feel like you are into small accounts and you want to grow gradually, you don't want to jump too high, you have a light. You have a standards, you have an exclusive, and you have a VIP. So each of them will give you different starting level. So let's go and let's have a look at the table and explain how it works. If you want to take a challenge, it will cost you initial sort of deposit, which is refundable should you pass first level. So if you prove yourself that you are a good trader, if you make money for the company, they will give you your initial fee. So if you pay $99, don't worry, you will get it back once you graduate the first level. The same with any other, with VIP, with standard, and this 10% that I told you before is off this initial fee. So if you decide that this is something for you, if you feel you are ready to take the challenge like that, but you need to be ready. I don't want to put you in any deep water without you being ready, so make sure you are. Then you can take advantage of it. So let's have a look. What are you getting for each of these payments? So if you decide to start with a light account, you will get straight away 2,500 trading accounts. And your goal is to make profit of 10%. With each of them, you need to make 10% profit to pass the challenge. So let's focus on VIP because we are here to trade bigger accounts. We already tired with trading small accounts. That's how we started this video. This is the goal, to jump from the small account to the large account. So here is your challenge. You will get $20,000 to trade. Your goal is to make profit of 10%. So you need to make $2,000 profit and you are done. That's the proof that you are the trader they are looking for, and they will give you real money to trade for them. So you will get 20,000 live account to trade, and then when you make the 10%, you will get your profit 60% out of this 2.5. So you will get 1,200 plus you will get back this 99, but with the code you will pay less than 900, 800 something. You will get this money back and you will be 1,200 profit. So imagine if you were to trade your own 1,000, you would need to make 120% profit to make this money, which is very difficult if you don't over leverage. And if you over leverage, you know the ends of the story. Most likely you will blow your account because you will be afraid. Okay, so this is a perfect solution. Taken that you know what you are doing. You need to be a good trader, of course. So a daily drawdown, what does it mean? That you cannot lose more than 2.5% a day. So if you risk 0.5%, you can have 5 losing trade maximum in one day. The maximum static drawdown is 10%. So if you lose this 20 trades of 0.5% each, then you are out. You cannot do that. You cannot risk so much. So I mean 20 trades in a row. That you need to be really crap. So if you are like that, don't even take this challenge. Just don't do that. So these are the rules. If you make 10% before you blew 10% or 2.5 a day in one day, then ching ching, you are good, you getting your 1200, and you are promoted to trade level 2, which is 50,000. So it's not even double, it's 2.5 times more. Then the rules are changing tiny. So now you have a little bit less daily drawdown. So I would suggest as well, drop a little bit your risk. Maybe trade 0.4% instead of 0.5%. And then your max drawdown is 5%. So again, it's half of what it was before. So you need to be careful with that. But then if you are successful, if you can trade like that, so basically what it means, you need to trade 2 to 1 to make everything happening for you. 60% at this level, and you get $3,000. Later on, it's growing 65%, 70, up to 80%. So you can make up to 80,000 within one challenge. Now, what are the rules within the challenge? So, as we said, 2000 phase 1. Challenge duration, it's 90 days. So you need to do the first challenge within 90 days. I mean, 3 months to do 10%. I think that's plenty, isn't it? If we were talking before about making 10% in 1 month with your small account of 10,000 to make 1,000 profit, so now you have 90 days to do that. Minimum trading days, so you need to be trading minimum 15 days. So this is just to protect company from accepting someone who will have like one lucky shot and make all the profits in 1 day or in 5 days. So they need to see you trading for a little bit longer, for minimum 15 days. So basically like 3 weeks, five times a week, or 5 weeks if you're not trading Mondays and Fridays, for example. I know traders doing like that. And then so then you prove that you can do it on consistent basis. Later on, daily drawdown static. So this is related to this 2.5%. That's your 600. If you do that, you are out. Leverage is 1 to 200. There is different leverage with the smaller accounts. So if we go to 99, you can see that the leverage is 1 to 30. With this one is 1 to 200. You could get 1 to 200 if you wish to. You just need to pay $100 more. So that's your option. But you don't need 1 to 200. 1 to 30 is the maximum, because you cannot risk more than 2.5%. So it's pointless unless you want to do pyramids, but let's not complicate it. Let's just go simple here. Here you get 1 to 200 anyway. And then you've got some extra options, reset option and extend options. So if you would like to reset everything, all the challenge, or extend it if you feel like, okay, I think there is a description, so you can read it on your own time. Just go to their website and read it. And this is the progress. This is the progress that you can make up to 80,000 with this challenge, any other challenge. So you can read about all of them. If you start light, I already went to my login here. Actually, let's do it. So if you log in, if you go to the challenge, so that was my login details. If you decide that you want to take the challenge, you need to create your free account. They don't ask you for any money at the beginning. And then if you go, there's my client area, and you go challenge overview, and you can see all the challenges. So now you just need to choose whichever you want. Let's choose the VIP. And with the code that I arranged for you, Rafał Zuchowicz, press apply, and you will get 899. So you've got 10% off. Why did I get this code? Because I know someone in the company. That's why I'm talking about this company as well, because I have first-hand information. So I know someone who is working in a company, so we spoke quite a lot, and they are really hungry for good traders. That's why I'm making this video. I'm excited and I'm curious how many of you will take the challenge. I fingers crossed. I hope you will be successful. I wish the best because I know how frustrated it is to trade these small accounts when the profits are so tiring. Imagine you have like 1,000 and you make 10%. It's like $100, and you spend a whole month to make this 10% for $100. You can just go to work here in London. You go to any work and you get this $100 a day. So what's the point? It's just like, and to grow this account, to double this account, you will need like 10 months, 1 year to double it. It's ridiculous. In this case, if you do 10%, they give you 2.5 of your initial account. So this solution is perfect. It's super, super perfect. Taken that you can manage the risk. All you need to do is manage the risk and to hit these targets. Okay, so then just select this Nuvei, click checkout, and it will take you to this page. Fill it up, of course, with your card number, and place the order. Once you do that, you will have access to your own dashboard with all the statistics. You will receive the account, so you will receive the account number. Let's talk about platforms as well once we're talking about the account number. Going back to the main platform, if we go to platforms, you can see there is a MetaTrader 4 that we are all familiar with. MetaTrader 5, you can get the ATAS, Quant Hour, Rhythmic, Bookmap. I'm not even familiar, to be honest, with these platforms. I saw some screenshots; they look good. Something like the XTB platform that I trade on, and you can find the information on my website under the brokers. There is the platform overview as well, so you can have a look at all the platforms. So MT4, MT5, ATAS. So you can see they are like a little bit more advanced, might be, than MT4 and MT5. But if you are familiar MT4, MT5, I would suggest you go for it. If you have all the indicators as well, the indicators that you can get from my website when you go to 20 to 52,000 challenge over there. And yeah, so you will get the account and you're ready to go. You can start trading, implementing your strategy. The good thing is that, because I don't know if you're familiar with this kind of proprietary trading, if you came across them before, you might know that they have different kind of restrictions. So they might not allow you to use the EA. With the trading pit, you can use the EAs. You can, so robots, you can do the robot trading. If you have your own robot, you're more than welcome. You can leave it overnight. You can leave it over weekends. You just cannot leave too much over weekends. So I think there's like 10% of the margin. So you need to bear that in mind. You will read all the terms and conditions. They are not complicated. They want you to succeed. They are not here to take your initial deposit and run away with it. Forget about that. They have the real funds. They are serious people. You can read more at the below of the page. There is the whole information. And yeah, they know that they can make much more money trading with you than against you, like some of the other companies that they like business model is, just to take your deposit. Fingers crossed you will lose, you will not pass the challenge, so they give you like 30 days limit. There is 90-day limits. You could say, so why do they give me any limit if they want me to succeed? Because you need to have some deadlines. So if you cannot do that in 90 days, like what's the point? Like what do you want to do 10% in whole year trading? It's a bit ridiculous. We are traders here, we need to hit the targets. 90 days is plenty. You should be doing that in 30 days, in 1 month. So they give you 3 times more just to relax you, so you don't have this pressure, that, oh, I have to trade, and make stupid mistakes like with the other companies. Because of the pressure, you're trading, over trading, and you're making mistakes. Okay, make your own research on the company, be my guest. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, if you decide to open the account, go to my website, press anywhere here, sign up free, and then use the code. So this is the code. Just press, copy, and that's it. Then go sign up free, fill up the form. I already did fill it up. Go to challenge, choose, paste the code over here, apply, and you will be redirected. So make sure you use the link from my website so the code will be working. So it's like sort of connected. And then, yeah, enjoy. I wish you all the best. Let me know in the comments section of this video if you've ever came across the company like that, if you ever taken a challenge like that. What are your thoughts? How would you approach? Which challenge would you choose? Let's have a conversation in the section, in the comment section. I want you guys to have a conversation as well. And goodness me, I hope you will take it, and I hope you will succeed. And that's my dream. This is why I do the channel on trading, for you guys to be successful traders. All the best, really, from the bottom of my heart. All the best, and until the next time, take care. Bye.